While honey and garlic both have individual health benefits, there are reasons to be cautious about consuming them together, particularly in large quantities or as a remedy for specific health issues. Here's why. Altered taste. The combination of honey and garlic can result in a strong and unpleasant taste that many people find unappealing. Digestive discomfort. Some individuals may experience digestive discomfort, such as bloating or gas, when consuming honey and garlic together. Potential allergies. Both honey and garlic can be allergenic for some people. Combining them may increase the risk of an allergic reaction. Medication interactions. Garlic, when consumed in large amounts, can have anticoagulant properties, potentially interfering with blood-thinning medications. Honey can also interact with certain medications. Overconsumption. Overconsumption of garlic can lead to garlic breath, digestive issues, and potential health problems. Honey is calorie-dense, so excessive consumption can contribute to weight gain. Lack of scientific evidence. While both honey and garlic have been studied for their individual health benefits, there's limited scientific evidence to support the idea that combining them provides significant health advantages. It's important to consume foods and remedies mindfully and consult with a healthcare professional before using any combination of ingredients for medicinal purposes, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications.